In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Zoom to Outlook scheduled meetings with Calendly integration step by step, so your meetings can be created with the right calendar connection and Zoom details automatically. This is a really useful setup if you want to save time, avoid manual meeting links, and keep your scheduling workflow clean and professional. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Calendly account. Once you're inside Calendly, look for the availability section on the left-hand side. Click on availability because this is where you manage your calendar and scheduling settings. From there, select calendar settings. This is the part where you make sure your calendar connections are properly configured. Now, if your Outlook calendar is not already connected, go ahead and connect it right here. This step is important because Calendly needs access to your Outlook calendar in order to check availability and prevent double booking. Follow the on-screen prompts to sign in and authorize Outlook. Take your time here and make sure the correct Outlook account is selected, especially if you manage more than one account. Once your Outlook calendar is connected, the next step is to go to integrations. This is where Calendly lets you connect other tools and services to your scheduling workflow. In the integrations area, use the search bar and type Zoom. When Zoom appears in the results, click Connect. Calendly will now prompt you to approve the connection. Go ahead and allow the requested permission so Zoom can be linked properly to your Calendly account. This approval step is necessary, so don't skip it. After you click approve, give it a few moments to finish connecting. It may take a little time in the background, so be patient and do not close the page while it's working. Once Zoom has been connected successfully, the next step is to set it up inside your scheduling event. Open scheduling in Calendly, then select the event type you want to edit. This could be a one-on-one meeting, consultation, interview, or any other event where you want Zoom to appear automatically. After opening the event type, look for the location section. Under location, click Add Location. A list of available meeting location options should appear. From that list, select Zoom. This tells Calendly that you want the meeting location to be generated as a Zoom meeting link. Now, click Save to confirm your changes. Once saved, your event type is ready to use with Zoom, and because your Outlook calendar is connected, Calendly will also use your Outlook schedule to manage availability and book meetings correctly. At this point, it's a good idea to test the setup by viewing your booking page or creating a sample event to make sure everything looks right. Check that Outlook is syncing properly and confirm that Zoom is showing as the meeting location for the event type you edited. If everything is connected properly, your next scheduled meeting should automatically include the Zoom link and respect your Outlook availability. So that's it. You've now learned how to add Zoom to Outlook scheduled meetings with Calendly integration. It's a simple setup, but it can save you a huge amount of time and make your scheduling process much smoother. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more walkthroughs, and I'll see you in the next video.